Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As my title said, today I am unboxing. Finally, I got my Ninja. And I got the Professional Blender and Nutra Ninja. So, I've been wanting this almost forever. And so finally, through hard work, like everything else that we get and achieve, it's through hard work because no one gives us anything. So I said, you guys are going to be seeing me using this in some of my videos. I have one now, which I've had for about 20 years, an oisturizer. Not that it's not working any longer, but it has really been sort of wishy-washy. Sometimes it's making strange noises, other times it stops, and it really has served me well. And so I kept looking around, and because I really do research before I go out and buy things. I don't just jump up and buy things. I do my research, and then I put aside funds because I don't like to get in debt. So I put aside, I go in a store, find out, do they have layaway? They say yes, then I put it on the layaway. The layaway is sort of like a savings plan. Only thing, it's mandatory that at least once a month, once a week, however it works for you, you go and put a little something down on it until you pay for it. Now, before we unbox, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video. Don't forget to share it out. Don't forget to comment. So on that note, guys, let's get started and open up my Ninja. This is how I brought it home. And I love that store, P.C.Richards. Mostly all of my electronics and stuff like that come from this store. It's a great store. It's a family-owned store. So I try to go there and buy things, and they always have nice sales too. And I got this on sale. So look at that. Oh, says for product demos, visit our YouTube channel. Wow. So let's see. They're giving me a recipe book. That's really great, guys. I'm going to be sitting down looking at the recipe book to see, what's interesting there. And maybe I can enhance some of the recipes that are already in the recipe book that they give you. And then, of course, you're going to always get the book, How to Operate Your Appliance. And as far as I'm concerned, guys, a blender is a kitchen essential. It's something that if you cook, you need it. If you're on a health food, or I should say a health journey, and eating clean, this is something that you really need. So that's why it is essential. So this itself is the cup, And I don't know, the things that they make now, like blenders, they don't give you glass. Like my cup with my old blender is glass. And I like that it's glass. But I guess nowadays it's cheaper to make plastic. And then, well, my glass never got broken. My cup never got broken. It's still fine today. As a matter of fact, I will get rid of the motor, but I'm going to keep the cup because when we make various drinks here, we can wash this out. We can fill up the glass cup and put that in the fridge and then just wash this one out. So look, guys, look at those blades, 3 blades. So you can imagine the crushing that goes on with that. And then here's my top. Let's see, I think I'm putting it on wrong. That's why they give you this, so that you can read how to put things on properly. But I will do that when I'm off camera. Oh, I see, there it goes there, because I see those. No, it doesn't go there either. Okay, I will fix that later. And of course, these go for the cups. Let's take that out. Yeah, I said unboxing. I didn't say I was going to assemble things together, did I? Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. So this one is one of the, when you're going to make something small, you don't have to be making a whole lot of big stuff. Now this is the base. This is the actual motor itself. Let's get all this stuff off of here. Oh, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Wow, this is heavy. Okay. Oh, you know what? At the bottom, there are suction. Look at that. See that, guys? So wherever you are using this, it will not shift around on your counter. It can remain stationary. I think that is absolutely awesome sauce. Okay, so when you get ready, say you're going out to work, and you want to take your drink, your health drink along with you. Look at that. Look at that. And then you can have your straw. You can put your straw right there. There's an opening there for your straw. So look at that. That you can put in your pocketbook, or if not your pocketbook, if you have your like little bag for lunch, you can drop that right down there in that bag. And then of course, when you're mixing, you want to just have a small drink, you can use the smaller cup, so you won't have to use this large big boy here. you just make an individual protein drink or whatever kind of drink you're making. Look at that. You have 3 different sections, or I should say really power speeds. So I'll have to read the book to see what each one does. And wow, I'm so happy. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And then you have your pulse over here. Let me just bring that back up to the camera so that you can see. There's your pulse button right there. So, and this one is for the big boy. Okay, good. There it is. And then you have here, one more time, and the last time, you have up to okay, there it is. Now it's locked. Now it's locked. You have up to 72 ounces of liquid, which is 9 cups. So there you have it, guys. So now I have to sit down and read how to get this on properly because I'm not doing it right. There it is. I did it. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, did you see that? Wow, this is so cool, guys. So guys, thank you for watching and sharing with me my new toy. And so you'll see me use it from time to time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it out, make some comments. If you like this video, thumbs up on this video. And guys, I will see you on the next one. Love you. Bye for now.